Number 1. 1976 Chevrolet K10 Stepside 4-wheel drive, $8,500, Payson, Arizona. This 1976 Chevrolet K10 Stepside is a desirable 4-wheel drive square body pickup powered by a dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features notable upgrades including sniper electronic fuel injection, an upgraded fuel tank, and a shortened EDIT steering column, all of which significantly improve drivability compared to stock configurations. New Dakota digital gauges and a painless wiring harness, still unused, add substantial value for restoration or completion. The cab requires rust repair, and the odometer is not functioning, but the clean title, factory air conditioning system, and included extra stepside bed make this K10 a strong candidate for a capable classic truck build. Number 2. 1977 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $8,250, Oregon City, Oregon. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a clean and well-maintained 2-wheel drive pickup with extensive mechanical updates. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a rebuilt automatic transmission, it delivers smooth and reliable performance. Recent suspension, brake, and drivetrain service improves handling and ride quality, while power steering and power brakes enhance everyday usability. The truck is rust-free, features a refreshed interior, and retains good paint overall, with wear limited to the hood. Equipped with towing hardware, this C10 offers a practical blend of classic style and real-world functionality. Number 3. 1972 Chevrolet C10 long wheelbase, $10,000, Marble Falls, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 long wheelbase is a well-preserved survivor that reflects its Central Texas ranch truck heritage. It retains its factory 350 cubic inch 4-barrel V8 engine and 3-speed column shift manual transmission, delivering an authentic vintage driving experience. Mechanical updates including new shocks, fuel tank, and tires allow dependable operation, while solid sheet metal throughout the cab, bed, and frame supports long-term value. Replacement metal panels are included to address minor rust in typical areas, making this an ideal choice for collectors seeking originality or a gradual restoration project. Number 4. 1974 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $9,000, Kingman, Arizona. This 1974 Chevrolet C20 is a classic 3/4-ton pickup built for durability and hauling capability. Offered with an automatic transmission and clean title, it provides a straightforward entry into vintage heavy-duty trucks. While specific details are limited, the C20 platform is well known for its strong frame and reliable drivetrain. Its Arizona location suggests favorable preservation conditions, making it a solid candidate for work use or restoration. Number 5. 1976 Chevrolet C30 Custom Deluxe, $10,000, east of Flagstaff, Arizona. This 1976 Chevrolet C30 Custom Deluxe is a rust-free Arizona hauler equipped with a powerful 454 cubic inch crate motor and a 4-speed manual transmission. Designed for demanding work, it features dual fuel tanks, underbed tool storage boxes, and a reinforced suspension suitable for heavy loads. Recent mechanical service and a refreshed interior improve both reliability and comfort. Capable of sustained highway cruising under load, this C30 stands out as a practical and collectible classic work truck. Number 6. 1982 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat, $9,750, Fresno, California. This 1982 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat is a well-kept early 80s pickup with significant recent mechanical investment. It is powered by a new 302 cubic inch V8 crate engine paired with a new automatic transmission, offering dependable performance for daily use. A fully restored factory air conditioning system, new suspension components, and comprehensive drivetrain service make it a turnkey truck. Although it carries a rebuilt title, current California emission certification and commercial registration support regular road use. Number 7. 1985 Chevrolet K10 four-wheel drive, $8,500, Watsonville, California. This 1985 Chevrolet K10 square body is a lifted four-wheel drive truck built with off-road capability in mind. Retaining its original 350 cubic inch V8 engine, it features a fully rebuilt front end, 6-inch suspension lift, Bilstein shocks, and oversized mud tires. Dual fuel tanks and locking hubs enhance trail readiness, while recent brake work improves safety. Rust is present in common areas, but the truck remains mechanically strong and visually aggressive, making it ideal for classic off-road enthusiasts. Number 8. 1936 Chevrolet pickup, $15,000, San Mateo, California. This 1936 Chevrolet pickup is a rare pre-war classic that has undergone an extensive frame-off restoration. Powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it starts reliably but requires final tuning before regular driving. The truck maintains traditional styling while benefiting from restored structural integrity. It is well suited for completion as a vintage show vehicle or a weekend cruiser, and early Chevrolet pickups continue to gain collector interest. Number 9. 1966 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $14,500, Rogers, Arkansas. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a well-preserved example with documented long-term ownership and consistent use. Powered by a 350 cubic inch 4-barrel V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a granny low gear, it delivers strong low-end torque and dependable operation. Factory air conditioning, power disc brakes, and careful mechanical tuning improve drivability. Originally from California and garage kept for many years, this truck offers excellent stability and mechanical confidence. Number 10. 1971 Jeep Gladiator J4000 four-wheel drive, $14,000, Clark Fork, Idaho. This 1971 Jeep Gladiator J4000 is a rugged long bed four-wheel drive pickup known for durability and utility. It is equipped with a freshly rebuilt 304 cubic inch V8 engine, manual transmission, and Dana 44 axles, making it well suited for off-road and remote use. Its fully mechanical design, Free of electronic systems, supports ease of maintenance and long-term reliability. With strong recent servicing and solid overall condition, this Gladiator is both functional and collectible. Number 11. 1970 Chevrolet C20, $12,900, Sacramento, California. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 is a heavy-duty pickup that blends classic styling with practical mechanical updates. It features an Edelbrock carburetor, rebuilt transmission, and upgraded cooling components, delivering dependable performance for work or cruising. Known for strength and versatility, the C20 platform makes this truck suitable as a daily driver, light hauler, or restoration base. A clean title and solid overall condition add to its appeal. Number 12. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino, $15,000, California. This 1970 Chevrolet El Camino combines muscle car performance with pickup-style utility. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, it offers smooth acceleration and comfortable cruising. As a one-owner vehicle in excellent overall condition, it retains strong originality with only minor cosmetic wear. Highly collectible due to its unique design and shared lineage with the Chevelle, this El Camino is an attractive classic cruiser. Number 13. 1987 GMC Caballero, $11,500, Colfax, Washington. This 1987 GMC Caballero is a clean, rust-free classic utility coupe with fresh cosmetic and mechanical upgrades. Powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch small block V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance with improved highway efficiency. Refreshed paint, a rebuilt drivetrain, and an upgraded rear end enhance both reliability and appearance. As the less common counterpart to the El Camino, the Caballero stands out as a distinctive and desirable classic.